Today I'm going to talk about the secret genie. Do you know your secret genie as your mind? If you don't know your mind, how you can use it? It's very important to know your mind. If you don't know how to use your mind, this is the reason you don't know how to execute the information. So this is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor, and this is what I'm going to share with you. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor, and this is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. Everything works according to the mind and the universal laws, but you have to know the universal laws and your own mind. If you don't know your own mind, you might be using against of yourself, and you can tell from your result, your circumstances, whatever you're getting. And the reason is sometimes we don't know how to use, not sometimes, I didn't know how to use my own mind. I was using my own mind against of myself. Even still, I know it now how to use my mind, and then I have to remind myself. I have to tell myself, "Oh, you're using it against of yourself." So this is a really, really important lesson, and it's really you have to know your own mind, how the mind works. As you know, if I ask you what your mind looks like, can you tell what is your mind looks like? By the way, we are working around your personal goals and professional goals as building a business. And hopefully you got personal goals and professional goals. So we are trying to build up the business here. So whatever the business you're trying to build, more money, more freedom, more time, new job or new business, more prospect, more sales, whatever. So whatever your goals are, but you have to know your own mind. If you don't know your own mind, then this is the reason we don't know how to use the information. Gathering the information is not the key. It's about understanding your own mind, and then of course with the right information execute that information through your mind. So let's talk about, if I ask you what your mind looks like, can you tell what is your mind look like? I'm not saying your brain is not your mind. And you have to know your mind. So if you don't know what is your mind in your head, and this is the reason you don't know how to use the information. Even you got the information, but you don't know how to use it. So my mentor, he taught this information more than 60 years. You know why he did? He knew how this information works, and he understood the mind. He understood the universal laws, and he taught this information all around the world. You name it, the airline, the insurance companies, the big business companies, or if you're just staying home, does not really matter. So as long as you got the goals, right goals, so whatever the goals you have, this information works all around. So if I ask you what your mind looks like, can you tell? I can tell. I can tell. My mentor, Bob Proctor, he introduced us the stick person. You know what is a stick person? Stick person is just a round circle and got two parts and the body. That's what the mind looks like. You have to know in your screen of your mind to see your mind, and then you can use according to. So I know what my mind looks like now. Just imagine that stick person. Stick person is just a round circle. Just imagine that for a little while. A round circle is got two parts. Top part is a conscious mind. The bottom part is a subconscious mind. Conscious mind is a gathering the information and thinking mind. And then subconscious mind is an emotional mind, like a how you feel about the information, and then through that feeling and emotions, and we send that out to the universe world, and through the body as an action, we be sending the message to the universe world, and then the results come back to us. But now you can tell how you are using your mind. If you're not feeling about something good about the information or the emotionally, and that's why you're entertaining the idea of it. And this is, then now you can use your own mind. You know how to use your own mind. The conscious mind is thinking mind, how we think, and then how we feel about that information as emotionally. Just imagine that. That's what the results are. That's what we're gonna attract, because through the whatever the feelings and emotionally we feel, and that's the body you are in, and the body gonna take the action. The action is a reaction, always gonna come back to us as a boomerang. What we send out to the universe world, and always gonna come back to us. So now we know what is the stick person and how he look like and how the formation works. So you have to know the stick person in a screen of your mind. Then imagine that there's a two parts: conscious mind, subconscious mind. Conscious mind is a thinking mind, and the subconscious mind is how you think about the information as emotionally, and how you feeling it emotionally, and you executing that information to the universe world, and that always gonna come back to us. So now you know what is a stick person and how that works. And to change the result, if your results are not what you want, your circumstances, whatever the circumstances you're getting, and you have to change your how you think and consciously, and then you have to feel according to how you want to feel, according to your want, not other people, not the family or friends, according to the way you want to feel about yourself. Then sending that through your body as a message to the universe world. You're taking the action, and the reaction is always going to come back to you. So you no need to change people, family or friends. All you have to change yourself here as thoughts, and emotionally how you feel, and then according to you're going to take the action. This is how you're attracting everything, how you feel emotionally, and that's what we are attracting all the time. To change that, we have to change our emotions as how we feel, and then you're going to change your results. You're going to change the results, whatever the environment and you're having, and that's the way to change it. So stick person is a very important person. You have to see it on your screen mind, on the screen of your mind, because we think in images. If I ask you what your front door look like, the image is going to come on the screen of your mind. If I ask you what your car look like, the image is going to come on your screen of mind. And if I ask you what your mind look like, you have to see yourself in the circle, two parts, and the top part is a conscious mind, the bottom part is a subconscious, and the top part is a thinking mind gathering the information, and the bottom part is emotionally how we feel. According to that, we getting the result, and you should able to see on your screen of your mind. That way you can correct it where you need to correct it. Otherwise, you don't know how to correct your, how to get the result, where to correct, what to correct, and it's really confusing. We're just gathering the information, and then we're not seeing the result, and we're seeing the same result again and again and again. And this is the reason we don't know how to use our own mind. Now you got the secret genie as a stick person. Try to use your stick person all the time. Have a picture on the screen of your mind as a stick person, because Dr. Thermofleet, he introduced that to his patients, how to correct, how to cure the deeper level wounds, as he was a holistic doctor. And if we just consciously we are thinking about it, and then we are not really curing the subconscious mind, what's in the subconscious mind, whatever's emotionally going in the subconscious mind, we cannot change it. And this is the reason the circumstance is not changing, because we're not changing the root cause of it. The root cause of it in the subconscious mind, that needs to take care of it. So hopefully you have understood it. This is the reason people are getting confused. The intelligent, like a doctors or engineer or you name it, really intelligent people, who have studied university, and they're not understanding what is happening because they got a lot of information on consciously, but how they feel about emotionally, according to that, they're getting the result again and again and again, and they don't know how to change it. More 98% people don't know how to change it. So only 2% people know how to change this. So I'm glad I know it. I'm not though I'm perfect, but at least I know how to use this information. I can start using it. I have been using it on myself, and every day I'm trying to correct it, my mindset rather than other people's mindset. And so I think it's really good to know this information, and then you can start using it for yourself as a secret genie. Secret genie is a stick person, your own mind. And now you know how to use your own mind, and now you can start changing your results, your circumstance, your whatever you're trying to build your business, and around whatever the business you're trying to build, more money or more prospects or new business or whatever, or something personal you are trying to get. And if you do need a further help, send me the message on Zoom, book online, and ask all the questions around something you want to find about, more information around the goals. And I would love to see your comments. Leave the comments, and then I know it's helping you. And if you do need a further help or around anything you're not understanding, let's book on Zoom and send me the message and ask all the questions around your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube, letting me share the information with you. All I'm doing is facilitating these lessons, what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor and Sandy Gulger, and hopefully you can take the advantage of this information also. It's working for me, it can work for you also. And thank you and have a great day. Thank you, bye.